Which one is...
Rip it, baby.
Steffi's is the one with the reindeer. It looks like Steffi.
Open. This is your first present that you can open. Whoa, what is this? Oh, what's that? You're so careful, Theo. You can't be mommy's baby. Mommy, we ripped it through all of that already. Come on. Rip! Yes, good job. Oh. What is it? What is it? It's an Earth-friendly green toy. Whoa!
It's a truck. It's a truck.
Uh-oh. Look at his face. He said, okay. Now how do I get into it? Auntie Rachel, help me. Look at him.